In today's digital world, you need a fast, professional, and user-friendly custom website tailored to your unique business and services. It should attract visitors who take the initiative to call your shop or schedule an appointment online. So, is your website keeping you in the race? An Autoshop Solutions website can steer all your marketing efforts and work as hard on the internet as you do in your shop. We offer unique designs, custom content, and the results you are looking for. Your website is at the heart of everything, from PPC to SEO to social media. We write 100% custom content for all of our clients because, well, content is king. We research ongoing trends and make your website the center of your automotive marketing platform. Autoshop Solutions drives more cars to your service bays and delivers results. We fine-tune your site to provide the best possible outcomes using metrics like site speed and SEO rankings. Ready to drive your marketing across the finish line? Contact us today.